Hello, and thank you for your interest in primary trade lines. Fact: if you need credit approvals in today's marketplace with your CPN or business credit profile, you need a first and secondary primary trade line account before thinking about obtaining larger credit approvals. It is possible that you can go out and get a large credit approval with a CPN or business credit profile. Yes, you can. You can absolutely take a well-built CPN and with a first approval land a large credit approval. But for the most part, when building a new credit profile, you should consider building your new credit profile properly with small primary accounts. Why? Because this method works more times than not. Let me give you a little history. A few years ago, clients would purchase a CPN and add 1, 2, 3, 4 authorized user trade lines, net a 750 credit score, and run the table with credit approvals. Not anymore. Those days are over. In today's marketplace, we see clients with 1, 2, 3, 4 authorized users and a 750 credit score and not get approved for anything, not even a pack of paper from OfficeMax. I know some of you are thinking, why? And others already know the answer. Authorized user trade lines do not work by themselves anymore. Period. That's facts. I'm sorry to tell you the truth, but if you don't believe me, try it. But you'll find out after spending thousands of dollars. Authorized user trade lines do not work in today's underwriting system. If you want credit approvals, it's only one answer: primary trade lines. Okay, raise your hand if you want me to tell you how to build a $1 million credit profile in today's marketplace. I'm assuming that's everyone with this legal CPN video. Okay, I'm going to tell you. Now listen very closely. 1. Add 2, 3, 4 primary trade line accounts. 2. Add 1 authorized user trade line with a minimum of 4 years of history with a very small balance. The total cost should be under $500. Your CPN is $200. Your combo primary trade line $70. And your authorized user should not cost more than $150 to $200. $400 to $500 is the most I would invest because I know what I'm doing when building a $1 million new credit profile. 10 years experience with 10,000 clients is seen as examples of what works and what doesn't work. Let me explain to you why this is the magic solution. The primary accounts enable you to approval status. The 1 AU trade line with 4 years or more will generate 750 credit score due to the age of the authorized user. The limit should be as small as possible. A $50 gas card with 4 years of history is perfect. The 4 years will generate 750 and the primary accounts will enable you more credit approvals. I hope I was able to answer the magic question on how to get credit approvals. Use our combo primaries below to obtain your primary trade line accounts. And like any good product, we invested time and research with CPN, EIN, ITIN, and SSN to study loan and credit approvals. The same accounts we referred within our combo packages are the same accounts we've seen tested with our clients that we know to work. The facts are in and are clear. If you need credit approvals, you need primary trade line accounts. Thanks for listening to how legal CPN obtaining credit approvals can work for you. Get started now.